So today I'll be showing you how to format a USB flash drive with your MacBook Neo. So the first thing you need to do is connect the flash drive to the Type-C port of your Mac. And as soon as it appears there, then you know it's been recognized. You want to go to Spotlight and look for Disk Utility. And then open that. Under Disk Utility on the left-hand side, go ahead and select your USB flash drive. And then you want to click on Erase. Now it's going to give you an opportunity to rename your USB flash drive. And also, if you want to, you can change the file format. Now, most USB flash drives are going to be in the FAT32 file format. If you want to, you can change that to exFAT or just leave it in FAT32. And then click on Erase. And then that's going to format your USB flash drive. And once it's done, it will let you know it's done. So there you go. So that's done. And you can just click on Done and close this. Thanks for watching and good luck.